Hi guys, Oshin Hoy here, bringing you free tutorials on how to make a website. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to initially set up your settings when you first install WordPress on your website. And I'm also going to show you how to install your SSL certificate. So let's get into it. So this is your WordPress dashboard, which is the back end of your website. The back end of the website is where you can customize lots of the settings of your website. So we're going to look through a few of those now. So to get to the front end of the website, we can just hover over My WordPress, click on that, or you click on Visit Website. Now this will bring you to the front end of your website. And this is what is displayed to the world when they type in your domain name up here. Okay, so to go back to the dashboard, you just hover over the My WordPress and it brings back to the dashboard. And we're just gonna make it the way we want it. So we're going to clean it all up. So we need to deactivate these plugins. So plugins add extra functionality and are a fantastic and key aspect of the WordPress platform. So we just deleted those. Then we're going to do the same with the posts. I think there should be one in trash here. Yeah, so we're just going to delete this from the trash, just to clean everything up, and apply. And we'll do the same with the pages. So we're going to delete them, or move them to the trash, and then delete them from the trash. And there we go. So now we're going to go down to the settings. And if we go down to permalinks, permalinks are what show up after your domain name. So we want to make sure that this is as clean and as Google friendly as possible. So we choose the post name. So your post name is going to show up after, rather than having a load of numbers and random symbols even. So we just save those changes. And we're going to go to the users. See, these are the people who have access to the site. So you can change different roles, but we'll just look at how to edit your account at the moment. So you just click on edit. You can also go up here and click edit my profile. It'll bring you to here. So you can see you can change your color scheme. You can put in your name. So I'll put in Oshin. I'm going to put my surname. And if you want to put in a nickname, you just put in whatever works for you. And then you can choose how you want your name to be displayed. So if I just choose Oshin Hoy, up here it's now changed to Oshin Hoy. So this is what my profile is going to be displayed as. You can change your email here if you'd like. You can add a bit of biographical information, and you can put in a picture here using Gravatar. So then you just update your profile when you're happy with all of those settings. And next we're going to look at just cleaning up the dashboard itself, just to make it look a bit neater, because as you can see at the moment it's quite messy. So we're just going to dismiss this message and use these little arrows to minimize each one of these four. So that's looking much cleaner right now. So we go down to settings and general, and in the general settings you can edit the site title. So at the moment the site title is My WordPress, as you can see up there, and you can just change it to whatever you would like. So as you can see, it's now Oshin Yoga up here. So we help you do yoga. You can put in whatever tagline you'd like. You can see your URL here, and I'm going to show you how to get your SSL certificate. So this makes your site secure. So if we go back to your SiteGround account and we just scroll down here to SSL and click add. So then you can see a bit about the SSL here. It's protecting your sensitive data, and it's good for getting your ranking factor up in Google search algorithm. So it's very good to have. So we just click activate. And this will bring us to the tools area on SiteGround, and should bring you straight to the SSL manager, which it does, and then you can select which one you would like. I think I've got an issue on mine at the moment that doesn't let me select the Let's Encrypt, but if you can do the Let's Encrypt, just go with that. Yeah, I've got an error on that. So I'm just going to do the Let's Encrypt wildcard. And this should then install. And that means that once it's installed, we can change our website URL address to HTTPS. So if we do that for both of them, we'll just make sure that this is processed before we save the changes. Because with the SSL certificates, it will push your website to the HTTPS. So we want to make sure that that's on. And there we go. So it is now active. And we want to hit actions here and enforce HTTPS. I want to select that and turn it on. And there you go. It's enabled. So that means we can go back here once we have the HTTPS and save the changes. So you're going to have to log in again. There we go. And the settings have been changed. So now when you go up here, you can see your connection is secure. Okay, and you can see your site title is here and your site tagline is up here as well. So it's not looking great at the moment, but in the next few tutorials we'll show you how you can make this look really nice and make it the way you want it to look yourself. This video is part of my series of free tutorials on how to make a website. To make sure you don't miss out on any videos, hit the subscribe button and turn that bell icon to all. That'll mean you'll get a notification every time I publish a video on YouTube. See you in the next video, and happy building!